Alright, hello everyone, name's Austen, and I currently have a channel called Mechanically Inclined. As you guys know, you've seen me put a throttle body on this car here. Now this is a car I bought 2.5 years ago. It is a 2008 Chevy Aveo LS. It's just a trim level, it's not really LS swapped or anything like that, nothing crazy like that. So I've had this car since January of 2018. And when I first got it, this car had 33,500 miles on it. It's currently 12 years old. And so far, I've just done little modifications such as cosmetic stuff like headlights, threw a little short ram intake on it. Car doesn't really make that much power. Spec-wise, this thing makes 103 horsepower and 107 foot-pounds of torque. Sorry about the background noise. This car in the US, cheap little economy car. Out in Europe, this thing, if you look up any Chevy Aveo tuning or tuner, whatever, custom cars, they're actually pretty nice looking. So unfortunately, a lot of those parts, I've been looking all over eBay, trying to get body kits for this thing. There's nothing really out there, so here, I'll show you guys here in a second. This engine is a 1.6 liter little Ecotech engine. Basically, GM uses it in a lot of vehicles, and it's been kind of cross-platform between this one, the one in the Cruises that are the 1.4s or the 1.8s in their turbo. This one's just naturally aspirated little engine. As you can see here, the little short ram right here, bought this off eBay, nothing too crazy, sounds kind of decent. It did have a bracket was flimsy, just got rid of it, gotta make one of these days. Yeah, nothing too crazy. As you've seen the first video on this channel, throttle body's been replaced on it, so it's not having weird laggy issues anymore. Other than that, for the headlights, LEDs, all lights are LEDs, headlights, turn signals, brake lights, reverse light is projector LED. Windows got tinted not too long ago. Still a lot to do on this car. Gonna get some nice wheels and tires for it down the road. Maybe do a little bit of performance stuff, you know, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, stay tuned for more stuff with this car. I know it's not much, and I know no one's really modifying these things here in the States, so yeah, maybe throw some coilovers on this thing. I know they don't really make coilovers, I'll probably have to fabricate something, but yeah, overall, nice car. Just gonna do a little pan around this car just so you can see what it looks like, but other than that, thank you all so much for checking out this video, and here to the future of customizing this little economy car, because they're kind of cool. Car doesn't really have any aftermarket support because it's a little economy box. So let's see, let's turn the lights on. I know it'll probably be better at night, but so you can see, pretty cool looking, you know, a little something. And as I showed you, well, as I told you before, these lights are all done too. They're all LEDs. First light's LED. Late lights are too. This thing's pretty cool. I mean, I know no one's really modifying these things. So, it's a little in-depth little tour of my own personal car. Sorry about the train. A little 2008 Chevy Aveo here. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll do some more work to it. Thank you all so much for checking out this video.